What's going on, everyone? Back with another video and another unboxing. As you can see, this is definitely going to be the last one of the year for me, out of space, and also just because it's getting so cold here in Pennsylvania. I was able to sneak this in before Thanksgiving because of the temperatures kind of rised up. I was really crossing my fingers hoping that it would, but we got two boxes here, and as you can see from that, if you recognize that, that is Mike McGrath and Mike McGrath Reptiles logo. And I'm very, very excited to be able to snag these beauties from him. Can't wait to get into it. It's very exciting because we have two world's first that we're unboxing. Two. Mike produced them, first to produce them, and I snagged them. Super excited about it. It is really going to be some nice staples in some projects here at TR Reptiles. So without further ado, let's get into it. Check it out.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again.
Alright, let's get into it. Normally I use the, if you ever watch any of my unboxings, I usually use my wife's leopard print scissors. It's kind of become a little gag thing, but this tape is too nice, so which one? I think I'm going to start with this one first, because I think I know what's in this one just by the weight of it. So this end of the intros is from Mike McGrath from Mike McGrath Reptiles. All his links to all his stuff will be in the description down below. You have got to check him out. If you're not, you'll be very sorry if you're not. Alright. Awesome. So we got Mike's business cards. If you saw my incubator on my Instagram, one of these stickers is on there. And his card. So awesome. This stuff. Tax the worm. Look at this. This is cool right here. It's got a little stamp with his logo. That's cool. I'm gonna have to see where he got that at. Oh man. Yep, I know exactly what one this is. He's got these really cool snake bags. I don't remember the name. It's escaping me. I'm gonna actually have to get something. I don't think this little. Right. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. It's weird. I don't want to mess the bag up. There we go. There you go. Damn. So here we have a breeder male lesser clown. Look at that. God damn. This boy is huge.
Oh, great Odin's raven.
I mean, just beautiful quality right here. This is also the Graziani line of clown. So very excited to get that into my collection as well. Look at that white belly. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that my Blade Clown male did lock up with my Firefly female. But I got him as a backup. I mean, you know, you can't go wrong with, you know, I have that spot nose het clown, spot nose lesser het clowns. I just think that this was a really smart purchase to do. Probably one of the smartest ones I've done, to get a backup male just in case something doesn't happen. And to be honest, I would rather him sire these clutches than that blade. But beautiful, beautiful quality. He's going to be going to some girls very soon. So there he is. Beautiful boy, Mike. Thank you. Let's put him in the bag. While I do the other ones, hopefully he doesn't run off on me. All right, here we go. Second box. Mike threw in another snake. Alright. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. I see what it is on here, but I'm sure I'm going to be surprised when I actually see it. Thanks again. That stamp again. Very cool. Let's take all of them out. I'm all over the place here. Oh, here it is. Snake Bags by Bubby. I think that's how you say it. I probably could be saying it wrong. Alright, I don't know which is which. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If you fall... Oh, God. Look, I messed up the saying. Okay, we're going to start with this one right here because I think I know what this one is. Yep. Wow. Look at that. She has got some size on her. Here we have a world's first blade Mojave red jean ringer jean. I mean, look at that. Look at those reds. I did an unboxing before on the two red jean males that I had got, and camera didn't do them justice, just like this is not doing her any justice either. This girl is amazing right here, and she's got some weight on her. Look at that. All right, let's see if she'll stay there. And she is a world first if I didn't say that already. Okay, this should be the other. I think I know what this one is. All right, and here is another world's first.
Mother of God.
Look at that. That is freaking cool. This is, oh, and this is a female also. This is a female blade Mojave red jean ringer jean. This here is also a female, also a world's first. This is a special Gene X, well, posh Gene X, but we are pretty sure that she is Gene X by those sides there. Hep hide. I don't know if anyone has ever seen the special pieds, but they blow my mind. And Gene X involved in it too. That's going to be freaking amazing right there. Ooh, girl's getting wild. So that's what we have here is a special Gene X hep hide. Belly shot. Man, she is awesome. All right, and here's the other one Mike added in. I appreciate that, Mike. A little nervous her because she's pretty feisty. Not a fan of getting tagged. Alright. Double check the paperwork. And here, ooh, feisty. Here we have a pinstripe head hypo. If you guys didn't see it all, Mike produced another world's first, the cheetah hypo, which is a pinstripe trick hypo.
Get too excited.
Yes! Give me 10, Norton! Everyone can eat shit!
And my man Jim Ellis of Godfather Exotics has it. He snagged it off him. And this is awesome. I've never had any pinstripe in my collection. Now I do. And now I am in the hypo project, which is pretty damn exciting. So I'll have to get some hypo stuff to go with this. Is it a girl? Yes, it is. It's a girl. Okay. So here we go. We got, let's put them in the front since they're smaller. So we have, oh, scared the shit out of me. Oh man, making me look like a bitch. All right, so here we go. We have Special Gene X, Hepide, Blade, Mojave, Red Gene, Ringer Gene, and Pinstripe Hep Hypo. And, oh, the lesser clown male. So, there it is, guys. Extremely excited about all of these girls. Get them up to size, especially that male. He's going to be going to some females very soon. Please ignore my bleach stain on my work shirt. But, yeah. Thanks again, Mike. Really appreciate it. Mike is a great guy. Has some beautiful quality stuff. You need to go check out his Instagram if you are not already. Please do. These guys are all getting away from me, so I'm going to go put them away. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like, comment down below. Hit that bell notification. Appreciate all you guys. Thank you.
Everything I used to dream in